Hello everyone and welcome to this episode. So we are done with all our basic parts. I hope you are doing all the riyaz and all. So now it's time to turn to the tal sections, which are there are lots of tal in classical dance form. So what is tal? So tal is basically a time cycle. So it measures the whole time cycle in the Indian classical or in Indian music. As same like we measure length in meters, the milk or the water in liters. So we have that like the same measurement, which is tal in Indian music, which includes so many tal like trital, jhaptal, rupak, and etc. So it's really important in music, in classical music, to know the tal. Tal includes tali or bhari, then khanda, bol, sam, matra. There are so many things. So let's start from the matra. So matra are basically the beats, the number of beats in one tal. As like the trital have 16 beats, so it's a 16 matra tal. It's one tal which is of 16 beats. So it's a matra. After matra, it's a theka. Theka means you are just showing the beats. Theka means it's a rhythmic sound which when we rendered on the instruments like a tabla, then it's known as a theka, which have actually three different lay also. Lay means it's a speed when we can speed it up, we can increase it, we can lower it, so as per the convenience. Then there is tali. Tali means a clap. So when you are doing a theka, which you know, I explained it. So when you are doing a theka, there are some times you have to just clap your hands, like it's a tali or bhari. Then there is khali. Khali means it's basically a empty. So when you are doing a theka, you just have to show. There are some things where you just have to. You don't have to do anything. You just have to show it by your hands. So it's a khali. So sum is the first beat of every cycle. So here's the sum. Then there is avartan. Avartan means whole cycle of all the beats. So there is a avartan. You can it will be more than it has no limits for the avartan. Then there is a khanda. Khanda means there are segments of tal, and then there is a bol. Bol means, as you know, that in tatkar we did ta the theta, a the theta. So this is a bol. Bol means basically a sound or syllable which we gives to any movement. So that's a bol, and it came from from bolna. It's a Hindi word. Bolna means to speak. So it came from there, bol. So now we are starting tal trital, which is tal trital. It's of 16 bols. So there are matra, which are 16 matras. Okay, so let's write down this bol which I am going to tell you. It's dha, thin, thin, tha, then tha, thin, thin, tha, then tha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, tha. Okay, so it's a 16 beat cycle, which is a one avartan, and these are the 16 matras, 16 beats. So you can show. Okay, so we are moving to the theka. So as you till now you know the bol. So let's do the theka, which is tha. Okay, first with some dha, then dhin, dhin, dha. Okay. So in this we have khanda. As you know, the khanda means the segment. So in this trital, as it is a 16 matra tal, so there are four segments of 4 khanda in this, which are of 4 beats. It's like 4, 4, 4 and 4. So it is equal beats khanda. So as per the khanda, we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to do a khali, which is a down, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here's the theka of this trital, which 1, 2 times up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the one avartan of whole of this. Let's do this with the bowls. Dha, thin, dhin, dha, tha, thin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin and dha. Okay, so here is the theka of this. Sum is on the first matra, you know. Khali will come on the ninth matra, ninth beat, khali, and clap you have on one first beat, then on fifth beat, and then on the 13th beat. So let's 1 clap, 2, 3, 4, then on 5th, 6, 7, 8, on 9 matra you have khali, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 you have clap, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so here is the whole about this tal. I hope you understand, and it has 3 different lay, which is vilambit lay, madhya lay and druta lay. So vilambit lay means it is the slowest form of lay, then there is madhya lay means medium, and then druta means the highest speed, which is you can do, these are the 3 forms of lay. As you are doing this, you have part also, like it's times, so it's ekpat, duppat and chaupat. So we are going to learn this 3 times per. So it's what I told you, it's dha, thin, dhin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, dha. So this is ekpat, means one time of the lay. Then there is a duppat. In duppat you have to include 2 syllables, 2 bowls, which is dha, thin, dhin, dha, thin, tha, tin, tin, ta, dhin, tha, then tha, dhin, tha, dhin, tha, tin, ta, dhin, tha, tha. Okay, so here is the duppat, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as it's a 2 times, so you are repeating whole the tal, you are repeating whole the avartan for the 2 times. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here is the first avartan completed and you are starting it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a duppat, and then there is a chaupat. Chaupat means 4 times, so you have to include 4 bowls in one matra, which is dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, tha. Okay, so in this you have to complete 4 avartan in one avartan. So let's start from the ekpat, duppat and chaupat together. So it's dha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, khali, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, दुप्पट था थिन थिन था था थिन थिन था था तिन तिन ता ता थिन थिन था थिन थिन था थिन थिन था तिन तिन ता थिन थिन चौपट था थिन था थिन थिन था तिन तिन ता थिन थिन था थिन था थिन थिन था तिन तिन ता थिन थिन था थिन था थिन थिन था तिन तिन ता थिन थिन था थिन था थिन थिन था तिन ता थिन थिन था. Okay, so you have to practice it more and more to become good in this. So let's practice on this, and now I'll show you the footwork for this tal, which is nothing more than a tatkar, which is tha dhin dhin tha dhin dhin tha. It's same like ta the tha a the tha, but as it's included in this tal, I'll show you one more time, and this ekpat, duppat and chaupat also. Okay, so let's start this footwork of this tal, trital. Tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, tha. Okay, so this is the footwork for this tal. So let's do this ekpat, duppat and chaupat on this. Dha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, dha, tha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, duppat, tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, tin, tin, ta, ta, thin, thin, tha, tha, tin, tin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, tin, tin, ta, ta, din, din, tha, chaupat, tha, thin, thin, tha, thin, thin, tha, tin, tin, ta, 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 tin, tin, ta. Okay, I hope you'll practice well, and okay, let's meet in the next episode. Bye.